Hi again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com. Today is September 26, 2012. It is currently 3:11 p.m. Chicago time. What we're looking at today is a daily chart of the Euro futures. It's the December chart, and what I want to draw your attention to is today's low. Currently sitting at 50% support. It isn't so much that it's sitting at support that I find important to note, but that it's doing so at a time where a cycle bottom is due. You'll notice that I have notes here. There's like a 2 and a 3 and a 4. This is just giving me a reminder that we're due for a cycle turn around that time period. And then we have this $ F date showing here as well. Coming off the top here, that occurred within a day of expecting it. And now we are at that time period where a cycle bottom is due, and then another cycle top is due around October 8th, approximately. So how high I have the number 4 here written is not saying that I expect price to go up to that high. It is only showing the time. It's not showing what price level. I just have to put it somewhere here, and so that's why it's up here. It tells me look for top. It doesn't tell me what price. But from here to wherever the top is definitely would be a bullish run, and so I am making this video so that you have an opportunity to be prepared for it. Now, this price bar here of today, September 26, will be completed in another 48 minutes when the day session closes, and then at that time you can mark what the high of today is, and currently it's at 29.24. That's 1.2924. And if that holds, which likely I would think it would in the next 47 minutes, then when the extended hours opens up into tomorrow, which would represent the 27th of September, any break above that high would be considered a buy. If that high does not break, that is not a buy. You need to wait. We need to look for a confirmation of that cycle bottom. It could easily go down another day. It could go down 2 days and still be within 1 day of this $ F date and be well within the realm of when a cycle bottom should occur. You got to be careful about just jumping in and assuming that it's just going to do it because the exact date is today. So confirm it by a break above the high, and if it goes lower for the 27th, then look for a break above the 27th high, and last, if it actually goes down the 28th, then you would look for a break above the 28th, and that would be it for this $ F date. I highly expect that today's low is going to hold. It's definitely where the cycle is expected. It's within 1 day of the $ F date. It's at 50% support. It's also at time price squaring support. It's also seasonally, the seasonal tendency is for price to rise 27th and 28th at least before pulling back on the 1st. So I am looking at this point now for prices to start rising for the euro. Okay, and that's it for the December euro, and look for it to rise to around the October 8th time period. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click a like for me also. That's great if you find this informative. And I also have a free newsletter at AmazingAccuracy.com. If you haven't taken advantage of that, I invite you to do so. And thanks again for watching.